Hey guys, back at the apartment. Bismillah, ala Allah tawakkalna.
Assalamu alaikum.
So, as you guys saw before, we were at the place, the hotel, the
Haidilao.
Haidilao hot pot, and we got a couple of gifts, which was actually sick. Don't check it yet, bro, wait. And they gave us a note that I showed you guys. And wait, let me just focus it up. Okay, they gave us a note, and it had some.
Oh, it had the ice cream and the Palestine. Those.
Yeah, it had the. So I had ice cream that was red, green, and white. So basically, that was like from Palestine. And then it also had watermelons, because you know it coordinates with Palestine. So the note reads, "Thank you for coming. It's honorable for us to have you, and we wish you guys have 2 great dinners." That's fire. Thank you. Really appreciate it. And then
Thank you.
we sat down. Yeah, for real. We sat down, and out of nowhere, they come and give us a teddy bear as well. Pull up, bro. Pull up. They gotta see you, man. They gotta see you, bro. Don't drop it out the window, out the balcony. See that? Hell yeah. Full on teddy bears.
They also have their Haidilao mark.
Yeah, it has the Haidilao mark on the foot. So thank you for that. Now, to this.
They give us 2.
To this.
2 gifts.
Yeah, switch the angle, I think. Shout out to Hollyland. Sponsor me. Hollyland, sponsor me. Send me more products so I can review when I travel. We'll be traveling more, inshallah.
Did you contact them?
Huh? Yeah. I didn't check if they replied yet, but. Okay. Alright, let's open it. In 3, 2, 1. That's a lot of stuff in here, bro.
Yeah.
That's a lot of stuff. I did not expect them to have this much. So first of all, we have sugar corn, right?
Yeah.
Super corn.
Super corn? Oh, super corn.
Super corn, bro. Look at this. We got super corn. We got that.
I think it's an Indonesian.
I think so, yeah. We're gonna do a taste test video as well.
Yeah.
Later. So.
They got us 2 of those.
It's 2?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. And we got. Yo, this looks good.
The spicy one?
They gave us.
Oh, this one? They gave us 2 each.
Mikaku.
It has a seaweed flavor.
Right? Rasa rumput laut. I think I said that correctly. If I didn't, I'm sorry.
Rasa rumput
I'm
laut?
really bad. I'm trying to learn.
Are you really trying to learn?
Yes, I am. So there it is. It looks like chips that are shaped in. It's like French fries. Oh, it has seaweed flavor.
Oh yeah, it had. I said that.
But I don't like seaweed that much. But
I think this one will be good.
I might like it. It looks good. Now, what is that? Now we have this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Another 2 packs of mikaka.
No, what are you saying?
Mikaku.
Mikaku, yeah.
Mikaku. Honestly, when I read it, I didn't know it looks like a mikaka.
You give us a lot of Indonesian snacks.
This is a lot. Halal, of course, as you can see. Stamp right here.
Yeah.
If you ever go to Indonesia, this is the halal stamp. So it says halal Indonesia. And then number under it. So I'm pretty sure this is spicy. These are spicy chips. It might be duck flavored, huh? I think it's duck flavored.
What does it say that?
Because
there's the I see the icon.
It says duck on the bottom.
Which bottom?
Rubber duck.
Oh, no, that's the name of the snack industry.
And then they gave us, what is this?
Oh, it's the same one.
It's a different flavor.
Oh, a different flavor?
So they gave us 2 different flavors for the super corn. There is the chicken. There's the chicken super corn,
And the
And there
corn.
is the
I think it should be corn.
corn.
Yeah.
So the super corn flavor and the super corn chicken flavor. Right? So yeah. This is giving me hard Algerian vibes.
Oh, wow, open like a food review
عبك
channel
لا.
at this point.
Right?
You're
Might as
mixing
well.
everything in one thing.
Oh man, عبك
Dude, let's take a picture of these snacks.
الريحة.
Like that. Let's take it like this.
ريحة البلاد ما بيش عليها.
Bro, because it's the weather.
جنب
It's the
فرقة
weather.
بشرنا بالخير. استغفر الله يا ربي. I don't know if that's, I think that's a bid'ah. Swear to God. I know my parents say that.
They said what?
Parents say that.
Say what?
Say بفرط الضوء يكون بيض يجيب الخير.
Oh no, yeah, it's
Astaghfirullah.
bid'ah, yeah. Astaghfirullah. Wait, let's put these here.
خرجوا من الجاهلية. Yeah.
Actually, Algeria. Wait, and this one. Like that.
That's good.